Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best smoke machines that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Fog Machine. Vangoa 500W Fog Smoke Machine Portable with 3 LED lights. 3 LED lights on when fog sprays can create perfect immersive atmospheres for any occasion, greatly uplift the mood for everyone to enjoy themselves. It can be widely used in special events. It gives off a steamy atmosphere with stunning light effects to provide the perfect atmosphere for dances, concerts, weddings, parties, stage shows, DJ performance, Halloween, Christmas. Better heat dissipation in the metal-made haze machine provides higher performance and long-lasting use. The visible fluid level, angle adjustable handle, preheating indicator, wired foot controller make the fogger much easy to operate. With 3 meters 118 foot controller, it is able to be used on music concerts. Free your hands, no pause on searching for the wireless controller, just concentrate on instrument playing and atmosphere lifting. The 500-watt unit saves more energy to reduce power bills and generates the fog up to 3,000 cuff per minute. The quick warm-up time of 30 to 40s, no embarrassing pause, with 30 to 40s sustained smoke time, fills the effect even faster. At number 4. Halloween Fog Machine with lights 3-stage LED lights. The updated fog machine is equipped with 3-stage LED lights to combine the fog, and there are 12 adjustable colors and 4 special effects include fade, flash, smooth, strobe. It is perfect for enhancing atmosphere of holidays, parties, stages, weddings, live concerts, DJ and family gatherings, karaoke, etc. Supplied with a wireless remote handle for distant use, you can control your fog machine within a 30-meter radius, press remote button once to get continuous fog, and 1 key to stop. We also provide a LED remote F. Or the 3-stage lights. The 500W smoke machine can produce uniform, unscented fog very fast after 2 to 3 minutes of warming up. The fog output is around 2,500 cfm cubic feet per minute and 3 to 5 meters volume distance. At number 3. Theefun Fog Machine. Here is a perfect recipe for a sweet party, the Theefun Stage Haze Maker. Everything about it is big, except the price. The machine's enormous fog production rate works with a fast heater to give you the satisfaction you've always dreamed of. No more waiting. Simply switch on the machine and wait for only 15 minutes to see a huge mass of smoke coming out. Combine this smoke with the 6 LED lights on the machine to create a colorful festive event. The fog produced is unscented and undefiled. Upon fitting, powerful remote control is attached to the machine. You can use it over a distance of up to 10 meters. The fuse protection function on the machine guards it against overloading. At number 2. Fog Machine Baisun 500W Wireless Remote Control Smoke Machine. Fog machine supplied with wired and wireless remote control, built-in power cord and the visible fluid level. When the indicator light of wired remote control is red after 3 to 5 minutes of warming up, it will produces uniform, unscented fog very fast. The smoke machine made of metal outer casing for better heat dissipation to ensure durability and long lifespan. Equipped with a 250 ml tank for long-lasting fog production. Combine the fog and LED light together, perfect for enhancing atmosphere of live concerts, stage atmosphere, festival, wedding, Halloween, DJ and family gatherings, karaoke parties, etc. Manufactured of high-quality materials with FCC, CE and RoHS certified for safe non-toxic fog production, strict checking from production to packaging. If there is any problem after receiving the lights or in the process of using, please contact us first. We accept return request due to quality problems within 90 days and 12 month warranty on our products. Finally at number 1. Fansteck Halloween Fog Machine. create a mysterious and spooky atmosphere with the Qualit Y-approved Fansteck fog machine. The CE, ROSE, and FCC all agree that the fog machine works according to top standards. With the highly sensitive remote control, you can command the fog machine from a distance of up to 15 meters without a hitch. Press the on/off remote control button once and get a continuous supply of unscented fog. After first-time heating that takes 5 minutes, you'll only wait for 2 to 3 minutes for subsequent heatings during continuous use of the machine. The machine has a body made of aluminum, which lasts long and dissipates heat fast. In case of any trouble, feel free to refer to the included user manual. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.